And we are working on a weather-worn day for tomorrow. So the snow starts sometime tonight, right?
What's new? I mean, it's just been amazing. The video, I think they finally got Highway 55 cleared, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the question is, will it shut down once again with the heavy snow that's anticipated tomorrow? It's just going to be snowing in the mountains on again, off again, starting tonight, guys, and it's going to be heavy through the day tomorrow. Look at how thick the snow is getting up there, up at the top of Brundage, and as you could tell, now when I pulled up this picture here, this live shot about an hour ago, I could make out Payette Lake and the Long Valley in the background. The clouds are starting to fill in, which means the moisture is starting to move in. And if you look at this time-lapse video up at Sun Valley, you'll see the clouds were really high earlier today, but now as the air begins to get saturated, you note that the clouds are getting lower and lower. So where's the next weather maker? Well, you don't have to look very hard on the Doppler radar to see exactly where it's coming from. Look at all this rain and all of the snow that's out here across Northern California. This is what's working its way and starting to fill into central and eastern Oregon. Again, there's a big radar void in central Oregon. You never see what's happening out there as far as the shower activity is concerned, but trust me, the snow is commencing out there as we speak. Temperature readings right now, cold enough for snow in Baker City, almost cold enough in Ontario, not quite cold enough in Caldwell, 41 degrees in Napa, 40 degrees in Boise, 38 degrees in Mountain Home, and up in McCall, the temperature readings right now is 29 degrees. This is an extremely impressive satellite image. What we're seeing is two features going to work with each other to create a very, very soggy environment for us here over the next couple of days. A fairly persistent area of low pressure spinning around in a counterclockwise direction is expected to continue for the next couple of days in the Pacific Northwest. As it does so, it's acting like a moisture pump and it's tapping into all of this subtropical air. This is again like an atmospheric river that just wants to stretch right across Northern California through the Great Basin and into the northwestern part of the country. But remember, this is all subtropical moisture, which means it's warm. Its origin is from a very mild air mass. So that's why in the valley, we're going to be seeing mostly rain. Now, chances are at the coldest point, the temperatures will start out. It'll start out as snow in the morning, but then change over to rain as the subtropical air modifies our air mass and warms us up. In the mountains, the snow will be heavy at times. Here's the way the computer models see it. Tomorrow morning, right around 6 to 7 o'clock in the morning, it looks like a shot of snow is possible here in the Treasure Valley. But then watch what happens as the moisture continues to fill in. See how it starts changing over to valley rain by lunchtime, and definitely valley rain by the end of the day with the snow heavy at times continuing in the mountains. What about Thursday? Are you ready for this? Look at that slug of moisture that moves in here Thursday morning. All rain with mountain snow. It's going to be an impressive stretch of weather here for the next few days. So a couple of things I'm a little concerned about. Number one is we could see some gusty winds. Number two, we can also see so much rain falling on top of some of the snow in the foothills that some rivers and streams could rise quickly. So we'll be watching for that as well. Treasure Valley forecast tomorrow. Let's say snow changing to rain. Please anticipate what could be 1 or 2 inches of snow in the valley itself in time for the morning commute. Don't think it'll stick. I think it'll melt. By Thursday, rain is likely. On Friday, colder air starts to gradually move in. It could start changing over to snow again. Then drier conditions on Saturday and Sunday. Looks nice around the first of next week. Up in the Long Valley and at our ski resorts, snow heavy at times tomorrow. Snow showers are likely on Thursday, and on Friday the snow levels will rise a little bit on Thursday though, with the possibility of some flurries going into Saturday and Sunday in the high country as well.
It's amazing amounts of snow.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Roland, thank you.